Let's talk about maps and globes. Maps are a representation of a place. They can be made about land, cities, bodies of water, houses, and so much more. A representation is a picture or a symbol. A globe is a representation or model of the earth. On a map, you may see a compass rose. A compass rose is a circle that shows the directions on a map. The cardinal directions are named north, south, east, and west. They each point a different way. There are also 4 intermediate directions. They are northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast. Now, intermediate means in the middle, so the intermediate directions are in the middle between the cardinal directions. Sometimes they're also called ordinal. Intermediate directions are sometimes called ordinal directions. There are imaginary lines that are drawn onto maps or globes. These lines divide the earth into different pieces. Divide means to separate parts. They divide the earth into hemispheres. Now the word hemisphere comes from hemi and sphere. Hemi means half, and sphere means shaped like a ball. The equator is an imaginary line that goes around the middle of the earth and divides it into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The prime meridian is an imaginary line that runs from the top of the earth to the bottom and divides it into 2 hemispheres, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere.